I want to thank as well to Mario Gomez-Yebra, who is the marketing manager of Merck Fertility in Spain, for letting me sharing with all you this case study. I'm going to talk about building brands through the conversation. As you know, the traditional way of building brands or running advertising is over, because now we all have the power. If you are sending your message just in a unidirectional way, you are lost. Because at the end of the day, you have your target talking about your brand, talking about their experiences, and co-creating brand with you. The brand I'm going to talk about is Concibe. It's a sub-brand that Merck created to engage, to talk to the patients in order to provide them with information about the hope of having babies. As you know, Spain is the second country with the lowest birth rate all around the world. But despite of that, there are 1 million couples in Spain that are having problems in having a baby. I want to say as well that there is a stigma which has had to be overcome, that the problem is a problem of the woman. As you know, it's absolutely false. 30% is woman, 30% is the man. There is a 25% which is caused by mixed reasons, and there is an unknown 50% of causes. But it is true that the woman is the one suffering the stress, suffering the uncertainty, suffering depression, and suffering what it takes to get into a treatment, a fertility treatment. That is why Merck created this brand. And they created this brand with this website that was not created by us. This is work conceptualized, created, and put it online by Publicis Healthcare Madrid back in 2009. The site is really aspirational. There is a message, make your dream come true. I like that image of the backpack back in front back. You have informative sites on which the site provides information about getting in pregnancy, fertility. There are testimonies of real persons, of doctors. There are interactive issues. The patients can send emails in order to get information to the medical department. And it's quite good. And in terms of analytics, when we received this challenge back in May 2011, what the client wanted was give a step ahead. Okay, the website is okay. The website has a lot of visits, but why don't make the brand more social? And this is what we have been doing up to now. What we did as first step is go through the social media analytics in order to try to know how the market behave at the social web. As you all know, women rule the social web. That is true. If you use metrics such as Uberbu or Vitru, you can gather information such as Twitter is the main social platform used to share their concerns. And what is important is that the key topics that exist in this kind of sites have nothing to do with conception, okay? Have nothing to do with conceive. Has to do with pregnancy, fertility, infertility, assisted reproduction, hope, etc. Because conceive has another acception, everyone. I don't conceive that this politic made, that it's important to try to find the proper highway chats at the blogosphere in order to begin to integrate your topics at the social web. Yeah, well, what we did was at the beginning, we start to listen. We start to get intelligence of what was the post of the blogosphere. we wanted to get a humankind brand, which is a term coined by Leo Burnett, which means having a purpose, but having acts as well via interaction. We wanted to engage. And I want to end with the outcomes 1 year after. We, as a brand, are the top influencer in the conversation about pregnancy, which was selected as the key word. We have balanced the responsibility in the conversation between male and female, and we have a good rate of influencer. But to end, I wanted to say that there is real social engagement. People talk to us as if we were one more peep at the blogosphere. They share to us that they have finally get pregnant. They share to us that they are about to be on the delivery process. They share to us the first pictures of the baby. We receive from time to time a lot of follow Fridays. So stop advertising, start socializing if you want to get really strong and engaging brands in this new landscape. Thank you.